So it's Monday, so never miss a Monday with getting your health and fitness and your wellness all in check. It's 52, feels like 49 degrees. It's almost 4 o'clock, so it's getting colder, you know, minute by minute. So I checked the tub. I left it open a little bit last night. It was, there was frost on the windows around, I don't know, like 12 midnight last night. So the water's freezing. I know it is. Here we go. It is effing cold. So, well, yeah, my fingers already feel like they're getting frozen. There's a little rose on my little plant over there. Maybe I could show you the little rose. I don't know, can you? No, you can't. Yeah, right there. See that little rose? All right, cool. I'm gonna get back. Oh, man, no, man, we can't mess it up. I mean, you can make, you know, deep breaths is really what you do, is connect with your breath. Why? I do this to have a reset, a reboot, because if I'm like feeling like I'm lethargic, I haven't been keeping up with my wellness, I need energy, I want to be optimal for my clients, for teaching yoga tonight. That's why I'm doing it, basically. And I'm getting a reminder for a session I have in 30 minutes with my client. It's almost been 2 minutes. So, whoo, yeah. So let's do it. It's been 2 minutes. And that is body, mind, soul, breath, wellness, optimal health care, self-care. So yeah, follow for more, because it's only gonna get colder. So I never felt better. I was feeling like blah, and now I feel like ah.